Hello friends, so today I'm making a charkha for science project, and I've taken cardboard pieces and then I've drawn two circles of the same shape using a plate, big plate, so that the circles are perfect and round. Then I've divided them into 8 parts, and before that I've cut the circles out using a scissor. The scissor should be strong because the cardboard is also strong, so that my charkha stands good. Next I have cut those 8 strips of the wheel, and then I have drawn the same on the second circle and cut that as well. Now as you can see, I've cut the circles into 8 parts, and these are of similar size. And now we will make holes using toothpicks. I have taken 8 toothpicks because I have divided the circle into 8 pieces, and then secure it with a glue gun. First of all, we will make a hole in both of the sides of the wheel so that it is of equal length. As you can see, I have also trimmed the toothpicks later on so that their pointedness is gone and it is easy to stick, and they are not going through the holes easily. When this is done, next step is to cover this cardboard piece with kite paper. I have used red color kite paper. I have pasted it on it and then cut it and pasted them like this, as you can see. Next, I wanted to give it a contrast, so I have used yellow chart paper. You can also use yellow kite paper. I have used thin chart paper so that it is easy to paste. So as you can see, I have pasted this and then cut it accordingly. So it is giving a good contrast. Next, we are going to make the stands for this charkha, because then only this will be attached to it. I have cut cardboard pieces like this and then covered them with the same red kite paper and yellow chart paper. Keep in mind to make the holes again with the toothpick and then secure it with glue gun so that it does not move. So as you can see, I have done it, and I have used a Kulfi stick and straw to make it move. Now as you can see, it is ready, so we will let it dry off, and then I've used a Kulfi stick and put it through the stands and then secure it with a glue gun. I have made a small handle to make the charkha move, and I've used Kulfi stick as a handle for it as well. So make a hole in it and then put the Kulfi stick through so that and paste it with glue gun so that it is easy to handle and it does not come off. Secure it well so that you do not face any difficulties. Next, I have also fixed the stands with small pieces of cardboard. I have covered them with red origami sheets and then pasted them so that the stand does not move. You can also take 2 or 3 layers of cardboard pieces together and then cover them and put it beside your stand so that the charkha does not move at all. Next I'm going to make a spin wheel that is to be placed in front of the charkha. Now as you can see, my charkha is moving perfectly. I will be pasting those cardboard pieces ahead in the video. Keep in mind to fix the wheel on the kulfi stick but not on the stand, because if you are going to paste the stand as well, then the charkha will not move. So just keep in mind that you have to fix that. As I have told you, I have pasted those cardboard pieces, and next I am going to make this small spinner wheel. So I have used a thin cardboard piece, and then covered it with red kite paper and cut 2 circles and pasted them on yellow chart paper, and I have also made a hole in them so that it is easy to make it. Next I will be pasting it, and I will be also pasting red circles in it to cover it up. Again I have used a kulfi stick to put through them. Now I am going to paste this with glue gun and fix it so that it does not move. And I have also made the stands for this, because then we will have to put it in front of the charkha wheel. I have covered it with orange and yellow sheet in contrast with the red sheets I have used. Next step is to put a hole in them, and then using a kulfi stick we will also secure this and put it on the opposite side of the wheel. Now as you can see, it is ready and it is moving. Now I'm going to paste it opposite the charkha, and then our charkha is ready. We have to only put the thread. I've used a white color thread, and you can also paste a single thread because you have to just show the charkha. It is not an original charkha, but still. And I have used at least 3-4 loops of the thread so that it is looking good. Now as you can see, first of all, I'm going to take a thread and then tie it accordingly. Make sure to paste your spin wheel in front of it, spinner in front of the wheel, so that it does not cause any problem to you while you are moving the charkha. For the base of this model, I had used a cardboard piece and then covered it with white chart paper. I've also pasted a picture of Gandhiji because charkha is mostly referred to with Gandhiji, and I have used glitter tape to decorate it further. You can decorate it in any way you want, and you can use any colors that you like. So this is my charkha. As you can see, it is moving and rotating the thread as well. So I hope you liked my video. Please do comment your views, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.